Hello YouTube, Miris here. In this video tutorial, I will tell you how to fix Stream not opening issue. First of all, go to Start menu, type CMD and right click on CMD and run as administrator. Now type netsh winsock reset. It will reset your internet or network socket. After doing that, please restart your computer. Hopefully it will resolve your issue. Second method is taskbar method. Go to taskbar and find Stream Client Web Helper. Right click on Stream Client Web Helper and click on End Task. Remove all instances of Stream Client Web Helper. And after doing that, you can open the Stream. Hopefully it will resolve the issue. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.